Patatulog na lang at magaganap na ang UAP Cheer Dance Competition. For today, maswerte tayo dahil dalawa ang ating teams na makakapanayam. Unahin natin ang FAU Cheering Squad. Andito sina Coach Randel San Gregorio at team captain sina Adrian Angeles at Corina Dagohoy. Welcome to the score. Salamat sa pagdalo ninyo. I know busy na kayo with the cheer dance competition just 4 days away. Okay, Coach Randel, kamusta ang paghahanda niyo this year? 4th place tayo last year. Kamusta yung hangad ninyong improvement to try to improve your standing this year?
This year mas mas swabe yung process.
Okay.
Lesser injuries.
Okay.
Kumbaga healthier yung team ko ngayon. And of course, the goal is always there to enter the top 3.
Yeah. Was it ano yung nangyari last year? Parang may nabanggit ka, may injuries ba? So what was that part of the challenges last year preparing for it?
Last year po kasi a week to go, meron kaming nagka-chicken pox.
Ay, okay.
So,
it's not necessarily just an injury. So may nagkahawaan ba?
Hindi naman po.
Okay.
Pero kasi po yung pinalitan namin, he played a vital role.
Yun, okay. Mabigat yun.
So, medyo...
For the students, Corina, you're one of the team captains. Kamusta? Nandun ka na last year?
Yes.
Okay, kamusta experience from last year? Nag-4th place kayo. Anong natutunan ninyo? Anong nakita ninyo sa routine nyo na sa tingin nyo sinabi ni Coach na pwede nyo pang ma-improve o mapaganda for this year's competition?
Nung last year po, mas malaki po yung in-improve namin ngayong year. Kasi yung, bali yung last year, nag-upgrade pa po kami ng mga bali, mas naging united kami ngayon kasi last year is madami nangyari na na hindi maganda nung last year. So, yun po. Ngayon po, parang naging ayun yung sabi ni Coach na swabe ganun kasi
swabe talaga yung paghahanda. Okay.
Yes.
So, Adrian, kumusta yung confidence compared to last year? May mga hindi inaasahan nangyari. Dahil everybody's healthy, mas kumpiyansa ba yung team this year para sa'yo?
For me po kasi most of the team members po naman is members from last year.
Okay.
So may experience na sila ng competition like that. Okay. So mas kilala na po namin yung isa't isa at mas intact kami ngayon.
Okay. So, Coach, kamusta yun? Bihira yun actually in any UAP sport, bihira yun na halos yung buong team intact. Kamusta yung advantage na tingin mo para sa'yo na marami sa kanila experience na?
Well, unang-una yung coordination. So, syempre mas gamay na nila yung isa't isa. Plus yung technique. Syempre kung sila pa rin yung tinuturuan mo, yung technique talagang gumaganda habang tumatagal.
Okay.
So, mas kumbaga kahit na medyo mahirap yung tinuturo, mas nakukuha nila ngayon kaysa last year.
Corina, I'm curious, lagi akong namamangha sa mga girls na magaling kayong sumayaw at magaling din kayong, doing the gymnastic, acrobatic stuff. How do you balance that? Yung paghasa ng husay na yun, yung pagsayaw at yung all the acrobatic stunts, ika nga.
Sa mga tinuturo lang po ng technique ni Coach, yun na po, sinusunod lang po namin yung mga tinuturo niya. Tapos, bale, may tiwala ka sa sarili mo at sa mga bases na gagawin yan sa'yo. Tapos, nagtitiwala din po ako sa coach ko sa mga technique na binibigay niya sa akin.
Alright. Adrian, for the guys naman, ganun din. For one, you have to be physically strong. The timing as well. So, ang daming little things na come into play, yung hamon na yun. Kamusta yun? Gano'ng kahirap yun? I mean, visually, parang mukhang madali, pero parang mabigat lang. Pero ano yung hirap na dinadaanan ng isang male cheer dance team member? Ika nga.
Sa start po mahirap kasi syempre maraming elements kang kailangan kabisaduhin.
Right.
Pero para sa amin kasi you have to balance each elements. So kapag nakukuha mo na yung isang element, so parang jump ka sa second element tapos para maano. So wag ka lang magfo-focus sa isang element para maano mo lahat yung kailangan.
Coach, yung timing, nakakabilib talaga, sana when you're watching it live or from a wide shot, parang wow, ang galing sabay-sabay. Gano'ng kahirap i-master yun in practice? I mean, how do you do it? I mean, do you have a giant mirror para they see it or it's just really in the rhythm of the song?
Sir, may count kami.
May count yun.
So sinusunod, pero hindi porket may count na okay na.
Right.
Siyempre, dapat pati yung pagbaba nila, pag-akyat, pagtalon, sabay-sabay. Lalo na when we do tosses.
Right, yeah.
may mauna lang ng konti, siguradong di na sabay-sabay.
Right,
So,
right.
overmastery talaga yung key.
Okay. Well, you were in an interesting position, Coach Randall. You came from Ateneo before. Last year was your first year in FEU. Ramdam mo na ba yung demands or yung pressure ng FEU na mag-place ulit? Kasi kung di ako nagkakamali, 2012, huli, or tama ba? Huli nag-top 3, and then 2009 was the last championship. So wala pa kayong dalawa noon. Kumusta yung demands or expectation ng FEU community ngayon in terms of wanting to at least get in the top 3 again?
Yung FEU naman kasi is always a threat pagdating sa ganyan.
I agree.
Even before nung nasa Ateneo pa ako.
Okay, yep.
Siguro yung it will come. Kung yung depende na sa dedication and sa pero mukhang maganda naman yung nangyayari sa amin this year. So.
Karina, isa nakakatuwa sa FEU. Grabe yung, I mean, not that to put other schools down, pero may something different about the FEU community. Na iba yung unity, yung support ng team at ng students. How does it help pag nasa floor kayo? Gano'n nakakatulong yun na nare-receive niyo energy ng crowd?
Nakaka-motivate po yung mga ginagawa nila. Bale, nakakalakas ng loob at siguro mapipilitan ka talagang gawin yung best mo para maging proud sila. Yun lang. Tapos yung mga support nila at yung yung mga binibigay sa amin ng FEU community. Yun po, sobrang nakaka-motivate po.
Adrian, I'm always curious yung pressure. Kasi imagine, ilang buwan kay Coach ang kahanda throughout the year? More or
Since
less?
April.
Since April. Tapos, it's just one game. Kumbaga, di ba? Parang isang laban lang yan. Just one 5-minute routine and anything can happen. How does that feel coming into the mismong performance moment? Paano kayo nagpapaka-relax? Parang, okay, lahat ng hinanda natin, ito na, this is one moment. What's it like mentally?
For me kasi, it's my actually fourth time ko na
Fourth time
magko-compete.
na. Okay.
So, nung first time ko, syempre, kabado ako kasi syempre, ang dami masyado nanonood. And then,
Okay.
ginaguide naman kami ng mga seniors coaches sa parang relax ka lang and then sinasabi lang nila kung paano yung ginagawa nila. First, syempre, focus, isipin mo lang yung routine.
Right.
Forget about the rest. Parang,
Right.
pag tumapa ka na sa maths, ikaw na yun eh. Yung pinractice mo na yun, parang
Correct.
one time, big time. Parang yun.
And that's it. All right. Well, mukhang handa na kayo at good to hear everybody's healthy this year, Coach Randall. And you're coming into your second year at FEU, so best of luck. We want everybody to have their best performance, everybody smooth, perfect routines, and no one gets hurt, of course, and of course, everybody have a lot of fun. So we'll see you on Saturday. Good luck, FEU. Maraming salamat. Thank you, guys.
Hi guys, keep watching The Score for the latest sports updates and don't forget to subscribe to the ABS-CBN Sports in Action YouTube channel.